Last winter, I placed the WiseEye Data Cam over this small pond where I left 4 duck decoys behind. I just wanted to see what would happen. About a week later, we had this winter storm, and it snowed very hard and froze over the pond. And what happened next was just pretty comical. Live for, die for bow hunting is brought to you by WiseEye Data Cams. Conserve every detail. All pictures and video in full HD. A couple coyotes kept returning to the frozen pond to play, stretch, and just run around and act like normal dogs. They just didn't know what these plastic things were that looked like ducks. But as you can see, it cost me a couple decoys. Even this hawk thought they had a free meal. Yeah, they were pretty chewed up.